Hi friends, Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Boombi. Today I will be making a delicious recipe using just 3 main ingredients. You can make this for breakfast or snacks, or you can pack this for your lunchbox, or you can make this whenever your heart desires. So let's get started. Take a slice of bread, place 2 cheese slices on it. I have used American cheese as it melts perfectly. You can use any cheese according to your preference, but use something that melts easily. Some freshly ground black pepper. Top it with another slice of bread. This is really a very quick and easy recipe. You can even make these for lunch boxes. Next comes our final ingredient, the eggs. Use 1 egg per person. Add salt as per taste. I like adding little paprika. Then whisk the eggs. Heat a pan over medium-high heat. Add about 2 tablespoons of butter and little oil. I like the combination of both. You can use only oil as well. Dip the sandwich in the egg. Turn it and dip the other side as well. Then fry on low heat. Flip the bread once it turns golden brown. This looks perfect now, so I am going to take it out. Similarly, repeat with the other breads as well. This is such a delicious treat that you won't imagine unless you make it. With minimum effort, you get maximum deliciousness, and it will be loved by all. It even tastes great at room temperature. You can enjoy with some ketchup. I like it as is. Please check out my other recipes as well, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.